In order to enter the Miwa hand mode, you need to first go to the settings and activate the hand mode option there in the settings menu. The upper heat and lower heat settings can now be easily adjusted using the sliders, providing more flexibility and control over the temperature levels. To adjust in 5-degree increments, you can also press on both the left and right sides of the point for precise control. Make adjustments to the respective heating power by utilizing the button that is situated above the temperature. This is applicable for the heating from the top as well as the heating from the bottom. Make the necessary adjustments to the steam quantity by using the slider, and ultimately make further adjustments to the time by using another slider as needed and according to your preferences. The time remaining until the target temperature is reached for heating purposes is displayed in this section. You also have the option to manually open the damper by activating or deactivating the button associated with the damper signal. In order to exit the hand mode once again, we need to go back to the settings and return to the baking mode as we did before.